How's it going? My name is Joey Dawson. I'm in section 1, and today I'll be performing a podcast, a physics experiment called Spinner. Okay? Originally, the experiment called for a round cake pan, some construction paper cut out of the center of the cake pan, a roll of masking tape, a marble, and a record player, or in my case, a turntable. So originally those are the items this experiment called for, but I ran into a little snag, and I'll show you. As you can see, the center of this cake pan has a little stamp indentation of who makes it, Chef Mate. So I can't really perform my experiment right with that little thing there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and you'll see why, I'm going to X this out, and I'm going to flip this thing upside down, put it right there, see, and then put the marble in the middle of it. And this should work like that. So let's try it out. Okay, the purpose of this experiment is to show the forces that act on this marble when it's placed in the center of a spinning platform. Now, the closer I get to the center, the slower the marble is going to move outward. The closer I get, obviously, to the outward part of the cake pan, the faster it's going to move outward and the faster it's going to move. If I put the marble directly in the center of the spinning platform, it will not go anywhere. It's at dead zero. So let's try it out. Okay, first thing we need to do is we need to make sure it's centered right, and it looks like we're pretty good. Alright. Now, if we put it right about here, you can see that it wants to move outward. If we put it like closer to the center, it'll move outward slower, but it'll get there eventually. And if we put it right there, you can see that it moves all the way outward pretty quick. Now, if we put the marble directly in the center, it's at zero and it will not move anywhere. So, there's the experiment. And just to recap, we're just showing the forces that act on this marble when it's placed in the center of a spinning object, and basically how fast the marble will move outward, and dead zero and all that. So there you go.